Did you know? During the cleaning process, stitches shorter than a set length can be automatically removed from the design without affecting the rest of the stitching. By the way, this video is available in multiple languages. Find your preferred language in the video description. By default, standard optimization removes stitches shorter than 3 increments or 5 increments on older software versions. But you can adjust this value or even deactivate the cleaning function entirely if you prefer. Why is this useful? Stitches smaller than half the needle diameter can cause the needle to go into the same hole twice, especially when working with certain fabric patterns. Removing these tiny stitches improves machine performance and can prevent unnecessary strain on the machine. For delicate designs like thin lettering, a smaller value might be better. For most cases, the default is recommended. How to adjust cleaning settings. When loading a new design from external memory, the optimization inquiry will pop up. Therefore, make sure inquiries are not deactivated. Press L4 or R4 to enter the optimization tab. Press L5 to see additional settings. Check or uncheck the cleaning function, or adjust the number of increments to your preferred value. That's it! A quick adjustment. For more information, follow the link in the video description. Let us know how you like this function. See you next time!